Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. I am a content creator of all different things such as crafts, grocery hauls, reviews, unboxing, cooking and baking. And of course, I'm a mom of two, so I do mom vlogs sometimes, and I also do things such as lifestyle vlogs. And I'm also a teacher, so I do a little bit of teaching vlogs every now and then. So today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi, as we are going to be bringing you guys our Father's Day favorites. So I thought that today would be great to share what my Father's Day favorite is. So most of you do not know. I'm gonna go ahead and just briefly share. So when I was growing up, my real father was not around. I thought that my dad, who actually took care of me and raised me, I thought he was my real dad the entire time, just because I was young and didn't know anything. And you know, he's who I looked to and called dad. So today's video, I want to just go ahead and share my favorite memories and my favorite pictures and just my favorite person that I can't quite thank enough for stepping in to help out my mom, as she was a young teen mom who, you know, had just met my dad, and a couple weeks later she gave birth to this little girl right here, me. So my mom was young when she got pregnant and had me, and so it probably was a struggle and a challenge for her. But overall, I think that over the years my mom has done an excellent job in raising me alongside my dad. My dad is one of the main heroes of my life, because I know that things happen, and I know that you know, people sometimes aren't meant to be in certain situations, and I think that it was best that my real father, you know, made the decision that he made in order to give me time and space and with someone else. So you know, growing up, my mom was a young teen. She met my dad, and then boom, there I was. And all in all, the reason why I'm so thankful for my dad stepping in and helping to raise me alongside my mom is due to the fact that he introduced me to a lot of great people, and you know, brought me up in a great surrounding. Made sure that there was food in the house, made sure that there was clothes on my back, made sure, you know, that my mom didn't want for anything. And then along came my brother. So my dad not only gave me and brought me into his family, he also created a family with my mother, and they created a child together. And one thing I can say is I'm glad I'm not an only child, and I'm thankful that he brought Orlando into my life alongside with my mom. We have a love-hate relationship, and honestly, what brother and sister doesn't? So over the years, I was introduced to my real dad around 6 or 7, and I really wasn't happy with it, because I had already, you know, had my mind set up of who I was calling dad. And so it bothered me for a while, but the memory of just having my dad be there, help my mom and raise me and take care of me, and to bring me in as his own, definitely took a toll, and it keeps me in a good headspace, because not many men are going to just step in, pick up the pieces to the puzzle, and do it. It takes a strong man to do that, and honestly, my dad is the strongest man that I know and that I can think of. I honestly never imagined, you know, having to go down that road of meeting a real dad and meeting whoever. I just imagined, this is my dad, this is who I love, and this is who I am going to cling on to for the rest of my life, build a relationship with, and, you know, all of that good stuff. So my dad is definitely one of my heroes because of the simple fact it takes a village. It takes a village to do certain things, but it takes a real man to step in and help when the other parent is absent and no interest in being involved. So I'm really thankful for him, and he also brought into my life the sweetest woman that you ever could have met. She passed away when I was 8 and in a car accident, and it has been a rocky road ever since. I miss her every day. When I look at him and when I see him, I see her, I think of her. She's just all time. I'm excited that he brought me into his family and introduced me to a whole group of people that just were so open and so willing and so, you know, just open to having me in their lives as family, as a granddaughter, as a great-granddaughter, as a daughter. Like, I'm just appreciative of it all. So these are my memories, and to go out with a bang, be sure to check out the playlist in the description box down below. I definitely would love for you to check out some of the other Father's Day favorites as we are heading into the Father's Day weekend. I hope that all the fathers out there have a great Father's Day, and I hope that you all get to see and endure everything that you would like to this weekend. So, thanks for watching.
Lorito, dime si te acuerdas cuando